If you're over 60 and feeling more unsteady lately, you're not alone. You might be doing all the right things, walking more, doing basic balance moves, and still feel like your confidence hasn't fully returned. Why? Because there's one key system your body relies on that most balance routines ignore completely: your vision. That's right. Your eyes are constantly helping your brain stay balanced. But what happens when your eyes can't help? At night, on stairs, in the shower. That's when your true balance is tested. And that's when falls happen. But here's the good news. You can train for those exact moments. And today, I'll show you 3 expert-backed exercises you can do with your eyes closed, safely at home in just a few minutes. No gym, no pills, just powerful brain-body training that teaches your system how to stay stable, even in the dark. So take a deep breath, find a safe corner or sturdy chair, and let's rebuild your balance from the inside out. When we think about balance, most of us picture exercises or leg strength. But true balance depends on something much deeper: your brain's ability to integrate 3 key systems: vision, inner ear, and body awareness. Let's break it down. First, your vision. Your eyes constantly scan your surroundings, giving your brain instant feedback on where you are in space. It's a huge part of staying upright. Second, your vestibular system, located in your inner ear. It detects motion, head position, and direction. It tells your brain whether you're turning, tilting, or still. And third, proprioception, your body's sense of position. It's how you can touch your nose with your eyes closed or know where your feet are without looking down. These 3 systems work together like a team. But here's the problem. After 60, many people start to rely too much on vision alone. And when vision is challenged, like in dim lighting on uneven ground or when you turn too fast, your balance can collapse. That's when stumbles happen, or worse, falls. Here's the good news. You can train your brain to depend less on your eyes and more on your inner systems. That's where eyes closed exercises come in. When you close your eyes, you take away one support and force the others to get stronger. It's like challenging a muscle to grow. You're not just working balance, you're building internal stability. Studies show that adding eyes closed training improves coordination, reflexes, and confidence. It's even used in rehab clinics and elite balance therapy programs. And the best part? You don't need a gym, a therapist, or fancy tools. You just need a safe space, a chair, and 3 minutes. Coming up, I'll show you the first exercise, a modified single leg stance that activates your entire balance network with your eyes closed. Let's begin with your first exercise, modified single leg stance with eyes closed. This move is simple but incredibly effective for retraining your nervous system to maintain balance, even without visual input. Please follow every step carefully and always prioritize safety. Step 1. Find the right setup. Stand with your back near a corner, ideally where 2 walls meet. This gives you support on both sides in case you need it. Place a step or small raised object, like a thick book or stair step, directly in front of you on the floor. Now position a sturdy chair within arm's reach to one side. This chair will be your safety anchor. Step 2. Get into position. Stand tall, feet about hip width apart. Now shift your weight onto one leg, your stronger leg, if possible. Place the toes of your other foot gently onto the step in front of you. Don't put weight on it. It's there for light contact only. Step 3. Focus and balance. With your eyes open, find your balance in this position. Let your arms rest gently at your sides or hold them out slightly if that helps. Take a few breaths. Feel where your weight is centered. Step 4. Close your eyes. Now, gently close your eyes and try to maintain this position. You may feel your body sway. That's normal. Your brain is now working overtime, relying on your inner ear and body awareness instead of sight. If you lose balance, open your eyes or touch the wall or chair for support. That's okay. Hold for 10-20 seconds, or as long as you can comfortably. Then, open your eyes slowly, step back, and shake your legs out. Repeat this 2-3 times, switching legs if you're comfortable. This exercise may feel easy at first or surprisingly difficult. Either way, it's one of the most powerful tools for rewiring your balance reflexes. Remember, even if your eyes are closed, you are still in control. Every second you hold this position is teaching your body something new. The second exercise is called Tandem stance with head turns, eyes closed. This move is designed to challenge your vestibular system, the part of your inner ear responsible for detecting motion, direction, and head position. It's simple, but it creates powerful adaptations in how your brain controls balance when your head moves, something we do all the time in daily life. Step 1. Set up your space. Find a sturdy object to stand near, like a heavy table, countertop, or wall. Stand close enough so that you can reach out and touch it if needed. Make sure the floor is clear and flat beneath you. Step 2. Get into position. Stand up tall and place one foot directly in front of the other, as if you're standing on a tightrope. Your heel should touch the toes of your back foot. If this is too difficult, you can leave a small space between them. Distribute your weight evenly across both feet. Keep a slight bend in your knees and stay relaxed through your arms and shoulders. Step 3. Find balance with eyes open. Before closing your eyes, take a few breaths in this stance with your eyes open. This allows your brain to register your posture and position. Once you feel stable, you're ready for the challenge. Step 4. Close your eyes and turn your head. Gently close your eyes. Now, slowly turn your head to the left, then to the right, as if you're saying no with your head. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Try to stay balanced as you do this. Your brain is now recalibrating based on inner signals, not sight. If you feel unsteady, open your eyes immediately and use the support near you. That's part of the process. Aim to complete 5 to 10 slow head turns. Then stop, open your eyes, and relax. Switch foot positions and repeat the process with the opposite foot in front. This exercise helps your brain get used to real-life movements, like turning your head while walking or looking around while standing. With consistency, it can dramatically improve how you react to sudden motion and prevent the kind of stumbles that lead to falls. Our third exercise is called weight shifts with eyes closed. It's a gentle yet highly effective way to retrain your body to respond to changes in balance without relying on your eyes. This move improves your proprioception, your body's ability to sense where it is and how it's moving, which is critical for everyday tasks like walking, reaching, and turning. Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Find a safe spot. Stand in an open space with a sturdy chair in front of you or a wall nearby for support. Make sure the area is clear of rugs, pets, or anything that could trip you. You should feel stable and relaxed before you begin. Step 2. Stand with good posture. Place your feet about hip-width apart. Distribute your weight evenly between both feet. Let your arms hang naturally at your sides, or rest them lightly on the back of the chair in front of you if needed. Step 3. Begin gentle weight shifts. With your eyes open, begin to shift your weight slowly from one foot to the other. This variation helps you react better to everyday movements like stepping forward or catching yourself. Even a few minutes of this exercise each day can help you walk with more confidence, reduce hesitation, and feel more in control of your body again. Move your body slightly to the right, placing more weight on your right foot. Then shift left, placing more weight on your left foot. These movements should be slow, steady, and controlled. Feel the pressure change in your feet. Notice how your ankles, hips, and core adjust to each side. This awareness is key. You're training your body to respond and stabilize itself. Step 4. Close your eyes. Once you feel confident, gently close your eyes and continue the side-to-side shifts. Focus on what you feel, the subtle swaying, the muscles working to keep you steady. You're now fully engaging your proprioceptive and vestibular systems without the help of sight. Perform about 10-12 shifts per side, moving slowly and breathing steadily. If you feel unsure or off balance at any point, pause, open your eyes, and reset. Bonus tip. Try doing the same exercise shifting forward and backward. lean slightly onto the balls of your feet, then shift your weight to your heels. You did it! By practicing these 3 exercises with your eyes closed, you've just taken a big step toward retraining your brain and rebuilding real, lasting balance. Let's quickly recap what you learned today. Modified single-leg stance with eyes closed teaches your brain to balance on one leg without visual input. Tandem stance with head turns strengthens your vestibular system and improves coordination during head movement. Weight shifts with eyes closed builds proprioception and prepares your body for unexpected shifts in real life. Each of these movements helps you depend less on your eyes and more on the inner systems that truly control your balance. And that's what keeps you safe in the dark, on uneven ground, or when moving quickly. But here's the most important message. You don't have to get it perfect. You just have to stay consistent. A few minutes each day is enough to create powerful changes over time. Your brain is constantly adapting, and every time you challenge it like this, you're building a stronger, more stable version of yourself. So please, keep going. You are not powerless. You are not too old, and you are certainly not alone. If you're ready to commit to rebuilding your balance, with or without your eyes, leave a comment below that says, "Balance starts from within." Let's show others that it's never too late to train smarter and move better. And if you found this video helpful, please consider sharing it with a friend or loved one who might benefit too. You never know who needs that extra bit of support today. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos, including a follow-along balance routine with both seated and standing options, and a special edition on how to test your fall risk at home safely. Until then, keep practicing, stay safe, and remember, you're not done. You're just getting started.